Hello, YouTube stars. This is mono train set. And this is mono train set. There's a lot of other trains. It's a mono train set. I see there was a mono train. There's a lot of trains. But then, this is the train yard. The box cars. There's a mono trains there. There's old trains. There's the city. There's the trains with a massive mono train set. There's the years of the build. There's in the figure shop, the yard, with a well house, and the depot. There's Lemon West, Johnson, the Evan Johnson, H. O. There was a scale. What? And the time at 8:07 for the summer sipping. And 996 and Georgian 19 members of this Galveston Mono Club clean up the and restored it is permanently displayed. There's a mono train, so the best every year. It looks it's a July transfer. It looks birthday month to July 24th. 197 mono train club. It's every years ago. Well, welcome to the YouTube. Subscriber looks channel.